Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that's been on everyone's mind. Who owns Quickbase? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and talk about what Quickbase is. For those of you who don't know, Quickbase is a low-code platform that allows you to build custom applications without having to write any code. It's a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, from tracking customer data to managing projects. So, who owns Quickbase? Well, the answer is a bit complicated. Quickbase is actually owned by a company called Acumatica. However, Acumatica is itself a subsidiary of a larger company called Infor. So, in a sense, Infor is the ultimate owner of Quickbase. But that's not the whole story. Quickbase was originally founded by a company called FileMaker, which was later acquired by Apple. So, in a way, Apple also has a claim to ownership of Quickbase. To make things even more confusing, Quickbase is now available as a standalone product, which means that you can purchase it directly from Acumatica without having to go through Apple or Infor. So, who really owns Quickbase? The answer is, it depends on how you look at it. Now that we have a better understanding of the ownership of Quickbase, let's take a closer look at the company itself. Quickbase was founded in 1995 by two entrepreneurs, Bob Evans and Phil Putterman. The company was originally called FileMaker Pro, and it was designed to be a simple database tool for small businesses. Over the years, Quickbase has grown into a much larger and more sophisticated platform. Today, it is used by thousands of organizations all over the world. Quickbase is headquartered in Denver, Colorado. The company has over 500 employees. Quickbase is a publicly traded company. Its stock is traded on the Nasdaq exchange under the symbol Quickbase. Quickbase is a profitable company. In its most recent fiscal year, the company generated revenue of $164 million. Quickbase is a well-respected company. It has received numerous awards for its products and services. So there you have it. The answer to the question, who owns Quickbase, is a bit complicated. But now you have a better understanding of the company and its history. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching.